Hi gel press fans, Lynne Forsythe here. Just wanted to show you what I created using a silicone brush cleaning pad. Want to know where I found it? Dollar General. It was super cheap. I was on vacation and I was sauntering around Dollar General just looking at stuff, and I saw this and look at all the marks. So have fun watching my video as I explore this right along with you. And out of that came this mini series of canvases. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3. It says, "My wings grew in the darkness." I love it. It's hanging on my wall, or it will be. So finish watching how I came up with the gel press papers used in the background for these beautiful little canvases. All right, no idea how this is going to work. So I have my 5x7 gel press, my 3x5 gel press. I have my Joggles acrylic block for easy movement of my gel press. I have 3 different colors here from Perfect Paints. We have Grape, Cajun Pumpkin, and RainStorm. And of course, we have the silicone brush cleaning pad. So let's just see how this is going to work, because we're doing this together here, people. I have absolutely no idea. Put down some color. Putting it on thick. If you know me and Perfect Paints, it is a semi-translucent paint. All right, let's see what this bad boy's going to do. Yep, just as I thought. You can see it didn't get a whole lot of coverage because of these bumps on the back. Yeah. All right, see? And I'm getting the same effect. Okay, so that doesn't work. Okay, it's kind of cool with all the little random patterns. Okay, but not really what I was looking for. So I'm going to pull this up off of here, get myself all covered with Grape paint. And I think I'm going to go in and try to cut these off, because I'm not going to use it. Oh, okay, note to self, pay attention to what you're doing. See where we get with that one. Oh, look what I did. Still a little grape left on my brayer. All right, so I'm going to now treat it as if it's a rubber stamp. All right, so I am getting some pretty good coverage here. Huh. I like the grape in the background. All right, so let's go with one more color. There, now we're starting to get somewhere. Okay, so I have my RainStorm on here. Been getting these kind of good prints going on. And I don't want to waste the paint. So I'm going to stamp off over here. And that was just a cleaning sheet. All right, let's go to this one. So I have to say, I really like how these prints came out using the silicone brush cleaning pad that I found at Dollar General. I hope you've enjoyed my creative journey and that you will stop back by the Gel Press YouTube channel again. Till then, be creative. Bye!